motorcycle, and came back and we got married in the United Church way back then. And here you are, and you take it away. You had Sean when you were
Yeah.
15.
A couple of months later, we had Sean, our baby, first baby, and he was the highlight of our life. And we were very, very young parents, but we definitely had a lot of help.
Well, you
from
see
the
our
mom
first
and dad.
car there, Joan?
And boy, oh boy, look at the car.
It was
Oh.
1952, almost semi-automatic. It was a great car. That was our first car we bought. And then we, of course, we went on a lot of picnics. That picture is where we were at Lake Riviera, and later on we built a house at Lake Riviera.
Yeah, many years later.
Yeah, many years later. Yeah, that was pretty amazing. Ciao.